I really thought I was done with robot cleaners. I mean, my X50 Ultra Complete, the one over there, already vacuums, it mops, it empties itself, even washes and dries its pads. For me, that's mission complete. Until Dreame announced its latest gadget, the Aqua10 Ultra Roller Complete. I honestly thought, what a long name, but what could this possibly do that my robot isn't already doing? Well, turns out, a lot. Hey, it's me, Martijn, and I test smart battery-powered products so you don't waste your money or time. And today in this video I'll take you through my experiences moving from the X50 Ultra to the new Aqua10 Ultra Roller Complete and why it actually surprised me. Let's start with the X50. I've had it for a while and honestly, it's been amazing. I'd run it after breakfast or dinner and the floors always looked clean the next morning. It was reliable and I barely had to think about it. But after running it almost every single day, I noticed some small things. The mop pads sometimes left streaks. They get dirty halfway through a run. And every so often, I'd open the base station and catch a bit of that damp smell. Small stuff, but enough to remind me that even the ultimate robot isn't perfect. Then I tried the Aqua10. And here's where things got interesting. The biggest difference is the roller mop. Instead of pads that slowly get dirtier as they clean, this roller actually cleans itself while it's working. So every time it touches the floor, it's using fresh water. That's something I immediately noticed. The floors look brighter and they felt properly fresh. And after it finished, it gave itself a 100-degree hot wash. I like to call it a boiling spa treatment. It basically sanitizes the roller, kills bacteria and removes odor. My X50 rinses its pads afterwards, but this is on another level. And the best part? No more weird smell coming from the base station. Now, the roller itself is also pretty clever. It has this dense, fluffy fibers that dig into sticky stains. I tested it in the kitchen where we had some dried sauce spots and it just scrubbed them away better than my pads ever could. And don't worry about carpets. The Aqua10 Ultra Complete detects them and seals off the roller automatically, so nothing gets wet. I didn't even have to set up no map zones like I did with the X50, and that's super handy. But it's not just about the roller. Dreame packed in a lot of upgrades. For example, the suction power has been bumped up to 30,000 PA, which is stronger than the X50 and you feel it on carpets. The navigation feels smarter too. It now uses AI cameras with NVIDIA tech, and apparently it can detect and recognize up to 240 objects. I didn't count them, but I did watch it avoid toys, my dog, even socks on the floor, and it did it without hesitation. It also has this flexible suspension that lets it climb obstacles up to 8 centimeters. My X50 struggled a bit sometimes, especially with the higher thresholds, but this one just climbed over it like it was nothing. And one last detail that I love. The roller actually slides sideways into corners, and that's where most robots still leave dust, but this one gets impressively close. To really test it, I run both robots over two identical dried up spots for you to see the difference between the X50 and the Aqua10. The X50 left the floor looking clean at the first glance, but when I got closer, I could see some streaks and a couple of sticky spots. The Aqua10, no streak, no patches. And then it finished off by cleaning the roller with 100-degree water, leaving the roller fresh for the next round. So here's my honest verdict. The X50 Ultra is still fantastic. If you own it, you still got a very capable robot. But the Aqua10 Roller Ultra Complete is simply a step ahead. If you want your robot to not just clean your floors, but stay clean while it's working, this is the one to get. Especially if you've got kids, pets or just want spotless floors every single day. Now, if you want to see the X50 Ultra Complete video, you can click over here because we've reached the end of this one. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, drop them down below. And don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, so I'll see you in the next one.